Hi everybody, I'm going to give you a room tour aboard Celebrity Silhouette on Deck 11, room 1552. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. I am excited to show you this AquaClass cabin with this really large balcony, and I am really satisfied with this room. As always, I'm going to start on the back of the door. It shows you where your muster station is. The muster station is on deck 5, A2, and for us that was in the theater. And also on their door, just so that you're aware that you do have a little peephole that you can actually see out of, which is nice. And they do have covers on it to keep that light out at night. As you come in on your left, you do have your master switch for the cabin. No key card needed. And then there is also your bathroom. This bathroom is super nice. Really like the size of this bathroom. Quite large. Probably one of the largest bathrooms I have ever had the pleasure of using on a cruise ship. And it's very nice color scheme. You have some shelving units on the other side over there. You've got 2 shelves underneath the sink there. You've got quite the large sink right here. And this cabin also comes with the Bigelow Apothecary lotions and lip balm and soap. And then of course you've got kind of a pod shower in a way. This shower has your Bigelow shower products as well. But it also has this wonderful shower. I've never used one of these, but it has this wonderful shower that has all of these special jets on it to hit you in all those special places. And then you have all of these different settings that you can do. But just look at the space in there. It is bigger than it looks like on video. You've also got some little hangy things in the shower here. There is no clothesline in here. But yeah, this right here is quite the large bathroom. Really like it. One caution is that there is quite a large step up for the bathroom here. So be careful. But I bet you this would be a Morgan approved bathroom. If you know, you know. You do have the regular thermostat. As you can see, we have it all the way cool in this room right now. This room is probably, I'm going to say about 74 degrees right now, and it hasn't really cooled off very much since we've gotten here. Okay, as you come out, you've got a full-length mirror right here. Then you've also got to the right here a writing desk with some water. On the side here, as you can see, we've got our light switch. We've got 2 North American power outlets, 1 European power outlet, and I'm assuming that this right here is for the announcements. That seemed to not stop today. As the chair comes out, you do have a little drawer here that has your binoculars in there. But over on the left here, you've got your closet with plenty of space in it. As you can see, we have our robes in here because this is an AquaClass cabin. And then on the bottom there, you can see where we have yoga mats. Again, this is AquaClass, so they're going to provide you with these amenities. And then on the other side here, as you can see, there's plenty of hangers in this closet. You've got 2 things that hang down so that you can hang garments on that if you need to. You've got a smaller one here. And then you've got umbrella. So yeah, plenty of space in this closet. And then you can see they have a very nice sofa here. Very nice sofa. You've also got a table here that you can use to eat your in-room food whenever you get food delivered. And then over across from that, you've got your television, probably a 36-inch television, I'm guessing. Underneath that, you've got probably one of the largest safes that I've seen in a cabin lately. This right here, you would be able to fit probably a 15-inch laptop. So a good bit of space in there. And then below that, you have your chiller. Now, since the restart, they haven't been putting in all of the alcohols and stuff, but now they are. So you should know that whenever you see all of this stuff in your refrigerator, that is not free, even if you have the premium drink package. None of this stuff is free. They're going to charge you for it. Since this is AquaClass, we did get a free bottle of bubbly and some champagne glasses. Beside that, you've got 3 quite deep drawers. Quite deep. And then you have your king size bed, quite soft. And then beside the bed, you've got your telephone. This telephone does not have a USB port on it, so you are not going to be charging your devices at bedside through an included outlet. And then you've also got your bedside light, but these right here also don't have any ports on there. Up on top here, you do have extra storage space. Plenty of space here. So even though you only have 3 drawers in the desk area, you're going to get that extra space up there. And then of course, on the other side of the bed, you just have a 3-shelf unit there. And so there you have it. There is your AquaClass cabin. Now, let's go check out this amazingly humongous balcony here. Okay, let's check out the veranda. One thing that I like about this veranda and the doors here is that once you go out, you can lock that door and the air conditioner stays on in the room and your room doesn't get hot for you. So that's a really nice feature there. Now, for the veranda, as you can see, this right here is an overlarge veranda. It's starting on the bump out, and it gives you a lot of extra space here. So on the veranda, you have reclining chairs. You have 2 of those. They also have the ottomans that lets you lay out easier. Also have a fairly tall table there that is really nice to eat out on the balcony here. One of the things you should know also is that this balcony also has the overhang, so that right there could be something positive or negative depending on what you're looking for on your balcony. As a negative, you're not going to get sunlight if you want to sit out in the sun. As a positive, you're not going to get sunlight if you don't want to sit out in the sun. Also, this right here is partially obstructed, as you can see from that thing hanging down there where they used to clean the ship with. It hangs down in front of you, and so it is kind of partially obstructed, but not a big deal. I tend to like the balconies that have the overhang a bit because it does shelter you if it starts to rain, and I don't like sitting out in the hot sun. This is very relaxing. This makes sitting out on their balcony it's a refreshing feeling. It's not too hot. So, as you can see, you still have views towards the back of the ship, and then of course you don't get very much towards the front of the ship, but you know, that's okay. You still have beautiful views out of this cabin. So there you have it, folks. This right here is cabin 1552 on deck 11. It's a very nice room. I've enjoyed it. It sleeps very well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps me on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.